Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, roof rack, compact spare tire, driver convenience group, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.